Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Symbol of Knowledge. Hello friends, I have prepared specially for you uses of tenses with examples, sentences, uses of present continuous tense with example sentences, uses of past continuous tense with example sentences, uses of future continuous tense with example sentences, useful for standard 5th to 12th students, useful for MPSC examination students. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put on like and share it to your friends and relatives. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. For next video, please click on bell icon. I have given the link of my channel in the description of this video. There are many playlists on my channel. You can choose any playlist and watch any video which you like. Okay friends, let us start without wasting time. Uses of continuous present tense, format of the sentence, subject plus am or is or are plus main verb in ing form. First use, to express ongoing action. For examples, all are singing a patriotic song together. I am helping the victims of COVID-19. Smith is writing a letter to his friend. You are learning English grammar now. It is raining heavily outside. Next use, to express future plan. For examples, I am going to teach the lesson tomorrow. The couple is visiting the holy places next year. The guests are arriving at 9 o'clock. They are launching a new car soon. The minister is announcing the decision tomorrow. Next use, in negative sentences. For examples, Lawson is not studying in this school. Girls are not playing badminton. I am not showing my dance performance today. It is not happening as we wish. Visitors are avoiding to enter the cave. Next use, in questions. For examples, am I explaining the topic properly? Aren't they studying in the reading hall? Isn't Ralph around today? Where is your father working? How many students are attending online lecture? Next tense, uses of continuous past tense, format of the sentence, subject plus was or were plus main verb in ing form. First use, to express ongoing past action. My brother was helping me to complete the homework. It was raining yesterday evening. We were playing basketball on our school ground. The students were asking questions to teacher. I was singing a song in birthday party. Next use, to express interrupted past actions. I was praying God when my friend called. We were enjoying the picnic. It started to rain heavily. The teacher stopped me when I was giving the answer. While I was attending online lecture, my mobile turned off. The players were practicing. Suddenly, the rain started. Next use, to express parallel actions. For examples, I was watching TV while my mother was cooking. She was explaining the point and we were writing them. We were taking a dinner, also discussing on COVID-19. George was driving a car, talking on mobile loudly too. The meeting was going on while some guys were sleeping. Next, use in negative sentences. I was not attending the lecture regularly. They were not playing in summer vacation. You were not talking with your friend. The teacher was not explaining the point. The wind was not blowing when we reached there. Next, use in questions. Were we talking loudly yesterday? Was he attending physics lecture? Were the animals gazing on green meadow? Where were the guests sleeping? What was your English teacher telling? Next tense, uses of continuous future tense. Format of the sentence: subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb in ing form. First use to express progressive future events. For examples, she will be singing a beautiful song. They will be waiting at the bus stop. I will be celebrating my birthday tomorrow evening. The teacher will be conducting a grammar test. Next, use to express planned future action. For examples, we shall be staying in Jerusalem for 2 weeks. They will be coming together in December. Imran will be presenting a slideshow about animals. At 6 o'clock, we will be practicing a drama. Next, use in negative sentences. You will not be carrying cell phone with you. Villagers won't be staying there for a long time. The college will not be conducting exams in this situation. They won't be reading my messages anymore. Next, use in questions. For examples, will he be studying in our college library? Will they be talking with the experts this afternoon? What songs Stanley will be singing in concert? Where will they be staying together? Hello friends, thank you very much. We will study one more grammar lesson in the next video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video very soon. Bye bye.